morning guys! Technically, it's morning right now. It's 3 AM. So yun nga. May kakaiba po tayong gagawin this morning sa inyo. At una kong gagawin din to sa mga videos na gagawin ko. So, as you have noticed last time, nag-create po ako ng parang video clips or parang vlog, sort of a vlog using my Galaxy Note 10. Unfortunately, hindi niya po kayang i-sustain yung buong activities ko for the day, trying to get clips, most especially if you're using the camera and then you're turning on the screen. So yun nga, so I've done my research and went to Samsung stores and asked them kung anong perfect na power bank para sa phone. Kasi ito kasi mapili ito na phone kasi kailangan para ma-sustain niya yung fast charging ability niya, kailangan mo din ng isa ding fast charging na parang we call this fast charging capability ng power bank para mas mapabilis ang pag-charge nito. So I made my research and then finally nakakita ko ng quick charge Qualcomm 3 capable na power bank. So yun nga. And this power bank, actually na-unbox ko na to. So I will be doing my thoughts on how it perform in a real scenario. So yun nga. So etong power bank na to, ang brand po niya ay eto po, Xiaomi. So, unfortunately guys, I'm using my Note 10 right now kasi medyo okay yung quality niya. Kasi I've tried using my DSLR, medyo hindi ko gusto. So ngayon, ito po yung power bank. Medyo baliktad lang siya pag nakikita niyo dun sa videos niyo. Pero ito po yung power bank, itsura ng package niya. So it comes with a white design only, simple, and then here comes the itsura ng power bank. So this power bank costs 1.5 to 1.6 I think, and I will put down the link below kung saan ko siya nabili. So I bought this online sa Lazada. Yun nga. Medyo affordable siya kasi compared to the other products that I have asked in the retail stores like in Samsung or in other third-party, vendors. Nakita ko doon na medyo abot siya ng mga 3K, most especially, and then ang battery capacity ng mga power banks na yon ay nasa 10,000 milliamps lang. So I already made the unbox yesterday, and then I took out the power bank inside. It contains the usual that they have a Chinese manual, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. So here is the power bank, and I already put it inside the parang may case para to protect it. But actually, here's how it looks. So ito po siya. So basically, they have 3 ports. They have 2 USB ports and then 1 USB-C port. Yun. And then at the back, wala. So mga tatak lang. And then the feel of the power bank is medyo matte siya. And it's not easily going to be scratched kung sa mga keys or coins nyo kung ilalagay nyo siya sa bag. So it's really premium. This weighs almost 400 grams. So medyo mabigat siya. So medyo it will drag your pants down kung ibalalagay mo to sa sa pocket mo. So most definitely you are going to hand carry this or put this down in the table and while your device is charging. Okay, so it comes with the power bank, and then it's quite big actually. I'm going to compare it to my Note 8. This is the size. Yeah, here. Oops. Okay, it's almost same size, but it's quite heavy, and then it has also a charging cable, USB to Type-C. Okay, I haven't tried this one, but I already tried the power bank, but using the C2C cable that comes along with my phone. I already charged this power bank yesterday fully. It took me about mga 8 hours to charge using my power brick from my Note 8 phone. So my Note 8 phone charges it's 15 watt capacity power brick charger, basta yun charges this power bank for almost like 8 hours. And then kanina tinry ko lang talaga siya to charge the device, my Note 10 device, using this one, and then it took me like almost mga 1.5 hours to 2 hours from 11%, I think 14% or something, to almost 95%. So yun. The battery capacity of this power bank is 20,000 mAh, but the rated capacity is 12,600 mAh. I'm not sure why they have different rated capacity and battery capacity. So please, you can put some information below in the comment section kung ano mang ibig sabihin nun. Then, this charger is actually capable of 45 watts input and 45 watts output. So that means kaya niyang i-charge ng using 45 watts power brick, and it will take this power bank to be charged by almost like 4 hours to 5 hours daw based on the paper. And I don't have any 45 watts power brick right now kasi ang meron ako dito is the 25 watts available power brick of the Note 10 and the 15 watts power brick of the Note 8. Yun. So yun lang. Note 8 ang ginamit ko, so mabot ako ng 8 hours. So medyo mabagal siya, pero you can charge this overnight para kinabukasan meron ka ng power bank to juice up your gadget. Okay? So the good thing about this one, this Type-C is a bidirectional charging port. So you can charge this power bank using this port, then you can also charge your device using also this port. So that's why I was able to use my C2C cable of the Note 10. Ayan, very nice kasi kung C2C ang gagamitin mo, I think mas mabilis siya kaysa sa USB to C na power cord. I'm not sure pero yun ang sa based on observations ko kasi I'm using also a Note 8 and then yeah, Note 10. Okay, so that's it. Ang masasabi ko lang dito, it's not as fast as if you are charging using your wall charger, but most definitely this is a good help already compared to a regular power bank kasi meron po akong quick charge Qualcomm 2 na power bank. I thought it's a fast charging power bank already kasi yun ang ginagamit ko for quite some time, like almost more than 2 years already na ginamit ko siya sa Note 8 ko, and it registers as fast charging already dun sa screen ng Note 8 ko. But when I tried using it to my Note 10, ang tagal niya mag-charge, umabot siya ng mga almost 3 hours yata, 3 hours na charging, hindi pa siya napupuno. Tapos, kailangan mong i-off yung device, kailangan mong i-airplane mode para mag-juice up siya na mas mabilis. Kaya yun nga, nakapag-decide ako na what if I'm going on a travel and then I'm outside, so I needed to juice up my device real quick kasi kailangan kong gumawa ng mga clips, ganun. So yun, so I researched and I found this device. So yun, I'll just put down the link below kung saan ko ito na nabili, and then yeah, most definitely this is a good help already and hopefully this will last long. But this is a Xiaomi brand, so most definitely it's a quality kind of a brand that they have been producing for quite some time already. Okay, and I think the warranty of this one is 1 year. I guess so. Yeah. Okay, that's all. And see you again next time for another unboxing kung meron ako mabibili. Bye!